And like, Jesus, he making me upset, I swear.
Good morning, guys. See it, we wake up all long now, I'll now be there in a bed. She don't want to get up, she just lazy. Look at her. I know she don't do nothing from morning. B, you want some morning?
Yo. Oh God. B so-called call himself trying to vlog. I told her he needed to take a dick around vlog, but he just like acting stush or whatever. But
B,
no,
what's stush about that?
No, he was like, good morning, guys. And before you come on the phone, I said good morning. A long time ago,
good morning.
Miss me and Ray or whatever.
B, time to get up now.
Yeah, time to get up, guys. I came to Jamaica for these like couple of days to rest. Okay, I work every day. When I'm at, when I'm there, fine.
You're not working.
B, I don't work 7 days a week. Yo, it boy lie.
Oh, yeah, can't do it.
No, yo. So we want to get up and change the sheets or whatever. B, don't be doing that. And then I'm gonna go to his mother. She's making me breakfast, banana, ackee, and sausage. So yes, we're there. But B, what's the plans for today? The motive?
I'm gonna link Granny shortly.
We are gonna link Granny. Go Cara, go somewhere. I don't know where we're gonna go after that. But yeah. But yeah, Cara, some would we?
No. Make your Granny and our husband.
Alright. So yeah. At that time move right now. We are gonna B, I gotta change this sheet. I'm gonna go shower and get ready to go. But no, because I'm gonna take a while to get ready. Cause you know I'm gonna go put on face and sitting.
So I'm to your face?
I have to put on makeup and stuff. So yeah, I had to tie strips now, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put on already. I didn't feel like putting on no makeup or doing my hair because first of all, the water gone and then the pipe, like with the tank, the water wasn't like beating as hard and I couldn't bother because I'm planning on going out tonight. I want to because this is the only other weekend night I have because I leave Friday and today is Saturday. So yeah, my name about to put on a face or do my makeup because I don't want to wear the same face later that I would be wearing now. You get me? So yeah, and my grandmother called and said she's ready, so we're gonna go pick her up now and go touch road. We are going with you. Just go. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop and grab the food from my mother-in-law cause she cooked for me. And yeah. We have a box. We can't stay and eat because we are in a time rush. So we have a box so she can share it for us. So yeah. Alright guys, my breakfast here that I had to take to go because we now on like a time rush. Banana, alright, plantain, ackee, and saltfish, my favorite. I'm gonna match this up. I don't know, hope y'all could drive. Alright guys, so we did what we're doing today. So my grandmother did some little running around for her, and with this step I want to go Sound Clash in that early part where there was playing music or whatever. You know, B loved the whole sound stuff or whatever. I don't really like it because I hear old music they tend to play, but it looked like the party I go on. So we come in, we're gonna get ready and then go to that a little later. I told my cousin about it, so we're going with her, but I want to eat something first before I go because you know I'm going to be drinking and stuff. And guys, can you believe me and B been together for like, I don't know, we've been together for a good while now, like a couple years, 3 years ish, 2 whatever, a good while. And he never cooked for me before. I know him, my family I go taste it and but he not cooked nothing major, just some rice and mackerel. But yeah, so B, your food I got taste good, B?
Must.
The mackerel like a toffee or soft.
A jam or something?
B, it's like a toffee or soft.
No, you can't toffee B.
No.
B.
Alright, well, hopefully it finished quick, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. So yeah, can you believe it? Finally, I cooked for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the food that he cooked. We're about to eat this now. Hey, so guys, we do a little hurry, come up or whatever, take a quick shower, wet my hair up, I put on a little face or whatever because we're trying to make it to this party. B is just in a rush and just like all set up and whatever, rushing me. I'm like, it's like it's an outside party, like it's not lock off, you know, there's no rush or whatever. So he's kind of like in the mood, but we're on my way to go pick up my cousin and her boyfriend, and then we're gonna go to this party. Hopefully it's nice and it's just not like a whole bunch of like old school songs that the and them clash with one another, because I don't listen to those type of music. I broke old music and modern music that I want to listen to. So yeah.
Ready now. Go club, she wanna hold your man, preach like people like. She say I wish she is. Call police if you want me now. Call me a no I'm a beauty to that. Everybody sing the word, yeah. You fight too much, wanna make your broke play. Don't play the mix.
Love the way you walk, you make this gal fuck. I'm a money camping on the big truck. Guys, good afternoon. It's like 4 o'clock now, and I'm just now picking up the camera. So we're coming from party like 5 o'clock this morning or whatever. I'm a drop asleep, like clean asleep. I'm surprised I even had time to like take off my makeup or whatever. B just had bada me, feel like turned me over. And I sitting there with just like, yo, leave me alone. I got to sleep. Guys, I'm getting like old. Like, I don't know. I can't take this party business. And let me tell you guys something. It party take too long to start getting nice. Like, I understand with Jamaican party, you have like different segments of the night or whatever, but we reach a party about 9:30, 10 o'clock. And at 2 o'clock, 1:45 in the morning, they start playing some little current song when we could wine and talk and do my little Snapchat videos and stuff like that. I did not like that at all. But, you know, I can't complain, and I'm here to look or whatever. So yeah, if it was up to me, a beer young tune, like current song, no. But I would I play?
Eh?
But yeah, so we get up, yeah, just put that one little tights on shirt, cause I was hungry, and I mean Sunday did not cook, but we feel for oxtail, so I tell B more something to eat. Soon read.
Yeah, man, me soon read. Yeah?
Guys, hold on there.
Yeah, man, alright.
B, soon reach where?
Spanish Town, you're gonna be.
But B, you said we're not guys sound festival, and you talking about whatever, and you maybe come put on this?
No, me I don't dress up something.
Well, me, I don't care if I don't dress up something. I come out to Jamaica, and if people are gonna see me over there, they can't see me in something like this.
What?
And you told me say you're not carrying back on those sound. Guys, I don't know if I said this already earlier in one of the earlier clips or whatever. I told B I'm only here for like 6-5 days or whatever. I know nobody I call if it come fix and straighten this and we got sound stuff or whatever. And what am I doing? He's still carrying me guy down sound festival and stuff, and I don't like sound. And like Jesus, he making me upset, I swear. I understand that a son is how he eat and survive or whatever, but like it don't involve me in it. You know what I mean? When we go up all the sound festival you want to go to and stuff, but not while I'm here. Cause no, here's the next thing. When he get around female friends them and they start chat, there's no stopping, there's no ending, and I'm just gonna be in the damn car by myself. You know what I mean? I'm gonna like that sitting there, I swear. But anyways, I guess we did part where I got Spanish Town. and I'm gonna get the food that I want, and then he's gonna go do whatever. So yeah. You have anything you want to say to them?
I don't cost too much on that.
Me love cost?
Yeah.
But B, yes or no? Did it an hour ago you said B, me not about to go Guy Sound Festival. Me not gonna do that to you because me don't promise you until I say me not carry your Corona sound. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Me not worry about you still a gas on this one?
Yes, because I still want my oxtail. And why you laughing? Shoot.
Because you still a good.
I just said at the restaurant that I wanted to go to get my oxtail, and they order oxtail. So I said, alright, let me get the curry goat. They order curry goat, so I have to go for damn fried chicken. So I come all the way to Spanish Town just for fried chicken. But yeah. Oh shit. So here's the food. She fully up at gravy, and then we have a pasta. I know we're on our way to the Sound Festival that B's going to. I'm just gonna stay in the car and eat. Whenever I'm done eating, he better hurry up and come back so we can go, because I'm not coming out that festival, because yeah, I done told you guys already that I'm not into that type of stuff. So yeah, in there, I'm gonna talk about damn sound, guys. I'm making this, me get this boy till 6 o'clock, you know. I look for the time. 6:12. I'm just in the car. Here they are. Alright, good morning, guys. Like, this is like really morning. It's like 4:45 now, and I'm morning. Me and B, we get up, we get ready. We're actually doing something for my grandmother. We're transporting somebody to yeah, it's an early taxi run. Hey B? That's an early taxi run? Oh Jesus, what are you here for, Johnny's?
No.
Oh, what to say? Anyways, guys, like I was saying, me and B, we're bringing some people to Tone or whatever, and they have to be somewhere early, so that's what we're doing. I didn't even realize that my trip would consist of like being my grandmother's designated driver. I mean, that was never called for, but you know, circumstances happen. So yeah, me and B left to do it. So I woke up from 3 o'clock, we get ready, everything. And yeah, I agreed we are weird today, but we're not labor, right? But,
morning.
Oh yes.
Oh what?
You come out morning. You didn't say oh morning. You said morning. Are you surprised? Home will wake up before you be?
What?
Be what I don't know. More I hear Granny Mo look for one over there, baby.
You know Granny now whatever.
Anyways, like I was saying, are you happy how I woke up and like I got ready?
Yeah.
Because when you just can't say yes and
I did always afraid for you be. Everywhere we go, you always take too long to get there. And this morning is surprised.
When you talk, you have to talk a little louder so they can't hear because I don't have a mic.
You actually wake up before me this morning, which is nice.
Yeah.
So much.
So, yes.
You let me have corona.
You have corona? You feel like you have corona?
Yeah.
Actually, you go around too much damn sound and people and I chat. So you probably have it for true. But yes, so
yeah,
we're on our way to go pick up the people, and yeah. What you said, B? It's sound what?
Like someone can't get corona.
B, I never said sound can't get corona. If people them we talk to, like around the sound, cause you know enough people love their sound, and wanna chat and sit in there, wanna in at people face and I talk, and you don't know, huh?
Can't get nobody. So you know, I don't like people like that.
Hello, guys. When I mean in somebody's face, when I mean like this, but like, come on, now. If you like, say you side and side like this, on not talk, not what you call it, sheer, whatever you want to call it, airborne particles or whatever. So yes, you can catch corona. Yeah. All right, guys. So it's 6:42 now. We reached the embassy at 6:30 this morning. So we did good. I bear traffic on the road at town. I did not know, like, I saw it still, like, what's all these cars doing up so early, like at like 5:30 in the morning or whatever. So yeah, we just dropped them off. No, I know me and B are just gonna roam around until they get through. I swear, one thing I can say about my Jamaican people them is that them ambitious. We can't say it. the most of them, they're ambitious and they find any little way to make a money. As we reach like closer to the embassy or whatever, every little parking, even if there's only like 2 spaces or whatever, people are make sign embassy parking, embassy parking, embassy parking. They have people who like telling you what you can, I can't bring, and all that type of stuff or whatever. I'm gonna rate that, you know what I mean? But like, yeah. When I go back up, I'm gonna try and video it to show you guys. But like, it was like a lot of people for like 7 o'clock appointment or whatever. I never seen that before, so it was like good to like see. I hope everybody get through who's in that that line or whatever. But yes, so me and I gotta find something to do because we don't know how long this is going to take and how long we're gonna be waiting. So yeah. Alright guys, so with that halfway through, you know, we were looking for something to eat. You know me, I was thinking like a box food, like a banana and like, you know, cooked food or ackee or something like that. No. B said, turn it down. B said, I wonder if Burger King open. I'm like, Burger King? And then I was like, so early I was like, wait, and there's no way Burger King could be open. Guys, let me pull up in a Burger King in line full. I was like, what? But then I realized they do have breakfast too, but people were ordering like actual like lunch food. So we get Burger King at like 7:40 in the morning. You know, I just got like a Whopper Jr. and nuggets and a beef. Follow me, I get the same thing. One thing though, these fries, we was waiting and like we got like the freshest, like she literally just dropped it. So well, I eat this done. I don't know, just chill until we said that if I didn't come out. So yeah, so we reach up for my granny and be a drink. I mean, be a chop up one jelly for granny. And be fiercey. B, what do you tell the people there say?
But you don't want a jelly bean.
Wait, say it so they can't hear. Why me don't want a jelly?
Because no chicken there,
No chicken there, no.
Jelly no have no chicken and it no have no soda. You know. You want the jelly?
I want to try it. He bright and fiercey. He just like try to play with me. Yeah, he feel my dog shit.
Oh yeah, that.
Oh yes.
Mommy, I drink last of the tail. Make it some. So when the last part I tell, I'll come with the people with the tail. When you don't hear him, can we get piece of meat and the rest? Make him half. Make him half. Mr. Taylor, you can't manage yourself. Yes, something that I think of a spoon to me and spoon to himself. But when you see what I did last time.
Then it down here? Oh. It tastes good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet. I gotta not see up me sitting. Oh, it tastes me. Jesus. Video me. Foreigner.
What foreigner? You're not Jamaican again? Spit it out now. The jelly not taste good, though. You want a little sugar in it?
Are you videoing me good?
It's sweet.
Sure.
Which part do you mean by good?
This one want a sugar candy.
You want sugar in it? Only icy one, no?
I'm gonna like coconut water pan a wall.
Kind of chicken and a soda in it.
B, stop. Come. Give me my phone. Alright guys, so I'm gonna reach Linstead, do what I had to do, and then I also went to the hairdresser that I went to last time, who finished off my road twist, to book my hair appointment. I'm getting knotless braids, and we get Miss Kaiju's. Like, we was like in the middle of like the market road, like the street or whatever. I'm gonna say, B, look what this Sky Juice money right there. Stop. So we hold up traffic, but like I had to get my Sky Juice. It's like so nice. So so that's that. So now we are gonna go pick up something, and then more and get something to eat, and then we'll go up. But I don't know what we're gonna do. If we're just gonna wait and get something for dinner, I don't know. B, what we are gonna do? Why, are you hungry?
I'm not hungry. But you say you want something.
Yeah, but see, let me tell you something, guys. I don't like when me and B on the same, when we're on different eat schedules. Cause we eat same time, you know what I mean? But I don't know. B, why you not hungry? And I from 7 o'clock we eat this morning, and that's 3 o'clock now.
At 3 o'clock now, well, yeah, right here,
Yeah, so what?
No, I'm with me.
You probably go sneak one side and go eat something. Yeah. Guys, so B just buy jerk pork for we for a little bit. So for us and get half a pound, and then for brother quarter pound or whatever. I with 2 box drinks, guys. B saying it's $2,050. I support there. We didn't even get like a pound of pork, and it was like $2,000. But anyway, see it here with some ketchup on it, nice hot pepper sauce. So we're gonna snack on this, and then we're just gonna have a nice dinner later on. I'm about to get like actual food now, so we're just like a snack on this. So we're on our way up now, and yeah, B, you have anything you want to say?
Everything there, B.
Yeah, Jamaica expensive for now. No, but don't get me wrong, guys. Certain stuff in Jamaica, like food and stuff, expensive, but like other stuff is like reasonable. Like to do your hair, do your nails, that reasonable. For wash car, Mrs. Sign for wash car for $500, $600. That's cheap. I found me I have to pay like $25 to wash my damn car, and out here, yeah, what them I wash a car and vacuum the inside for the 5 or 6 bills. But if I vacuum inside of my car, that's an additional $25. Like everything. So like, you know what I mean? Every certain stuff expensive out here, and then certain stuff reasonable, cheaper, you know? So we just stopped and we get ice cream for the kids them. We get one ice cream cake for my mother-in-law, and then we get this double crunch icicle. This double crunch for me and B. Here's Sadara eating her ice cream. How's the ice cream? Nice.
Gotta add some syrup on it,
See this bad boy here. What?
Outside.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi guys, I'm American. I have a Lamborghini.
You have a Lamborghini?
No, he does not. Don't listen to him. He's a dummy. No, a Lamborghini. Free. We're gonna bust you at the road. No, I said I'm going up. Going up back road.
Some nice clean man here. B, you want to say, look, you want to show people on your look? Look nice.
Daddy!
Look nice.
Yellow, take that off!
Very nice, B.
This one I feel.
Alright guys, so me and B we stop at Linstead to get dinner. We gotta eat KFC. You know, I got my usual spicy wings, and then B get a meal though you can't see, but you get barbecue and spicy. So we gotta eat this now, and then we'll go out.